the basement.
Basement. Doors opening.
I may end up finding some of the images on the photoware. So some of your photos in mineralogy from photoware are useful. So yeah, once I get back from legal about that, then I'll move forward.
This is a Schindler.
But yeah, so I haven't heard anything back from them yet, so I just can't do anything.
Lower ground. Doors opening.
Oh,
Sorry, thank you.
which floor?
Level 2.
Impressed.
Ground floor.
Ground floor.
Doors opening.
Going up.
Musée, et après... I'm just gonna... Oh, sorry.
Shut the door.
Upper ground. Doors opening.
Is this it? Alright, excuse me.
We got... Which one? Get out. And then back in. Come, Mike.
Une heure dans l'ascenseur. Une heure, il fait tous les étages, il s'arrête pas au bon truc.
Hope you guys can see this indicator.
Level 1. Doors opening.
C'est du styrone.
Two.
Level 2. Doors opening.
Whenever I go to the Strand, yeah. Whenever I go to the Strand, it's like same people going up and down the lift, and I'm like, I'm just gonna get it.
Level 4. Level 3. Doors opening. Level 2. Doors opening.
I know you can.
Doors closing. Upper ground floor. Doors opening.
We're good.
First floor. Doors opening.
Are you going up or down?
Down.
Okay.
Doors closing. Second floor. Doors opening. Fourth floor. Doors opening.
before I get started.